Yeah. Good afternoon from sunny England. Nice afternoon today. Right, this is supposed to be a Raincovo from the Raincovo store on Amazon. It's not a Raincovo box. I waited 3.5 weeks for this to come, and they posted it 4 days ago, then it arrived. So they waited 3 weeks and then posted this to me. As you can see, that is not a Raincovo bottle. That is not a Raincovo manifold. Holds together with the pin lock, just like an ordinary £5, we can buy them over here, £5 snow foam can, and get these on eBay for about £7 delivered. There's the floppy ball, nothing like the Raincovo one. And here is the wonderful instructions. Honestly, I can't believe this from the Raincovo store. I can't. And then, when I tried to contact them, I got no reply from them. And I've had to go through Amazon to get a label to return it back to China, and then only then, and when they get it back, are they going to refund me. No doubt when they get this back, they're going to say this isn't what they've sent out. So we'll see what happens, and I'll update it afterwards. But honestly, this is an absolute disgrace from a supposed to be a premium snow foam cannon, and I get sent something I could buy 6 of these for the same price, and then they don't even speak to me. Right, this is just showing that I bought this Raincovo from Amazon, and I bought it on April the 26th. I'll just show when it arrived. There we go, I've got a label ready to print. It arrived yesterday, which was the 20th of May. I've tried to write a review, my review won't go on. To be honest with you, I'm really fed up about it. I paid a good old amount of money for that, and I haven't even got the right gun, as you see from the pictures. And then the people from Raincovo, which it has been bought from, won't even speak to me. Okay, I don't know if anybody else has had these similar things. If they have, would you come back to me and let me know, please? Thank you.